Every day gives us the opportunity to make decisions that impact our mood, health, and how we respond to the world. In this video, I'll share 10 examples of Stoic practices you can incorporate into your morning routine to regain control over your life. However, it's important to note that this isn't about trying to practice all of them at once. The key is to see which of these practices resonate with you and gradually introduce those that feel right. Each person is different, so it's essential to find what fits best with your lifestyle and daily needs. 1. Start your day with gratitude. Begin each morning by reflecting on what you're grateful for. This simple practice focuses your attention on what you have, rather than on what you lack, improving your mood and mindset for the day. Example: every morning, write down 3 things you're grateful for, whether it's the warmth of the sun, a conversation with a friend, or your health. Stoic wisdom, particularly from Marcus Aurelius, teaches us that gratitude allows us to live more consciously and appreciate each moment. 2. Acknowledge what's beyond your control. One of the core teachings of Stoicism is to focus on what you can control and let go of what you cannot. Spending a moment each morning to remind yourself of this can help avoid unnecessary frustration. Example: as you plan your day, take a moment to differentiate what is within your power and what isn't. For example, you can't control the weather or others' reactions, but you can control your actions and responses. This mindset helps you maintain calm and avoid emotional overload. 3. Plan your day with a thoughtful mind. Planning your day thoughtfully is another Stoic practice that helps manage time and energy effectively. Stoicism teaches us not to overload ourselves with tasks, but to approach them with balance. Example: create a to-do list, prioritizing the 3 most important tasks for the day, and focus on completing them. Don't worry if you can't do everything. Stoicism values the quality of actions, not the quantity. This approach avoids frustration and gives you a sense of control over your day. 4. Practice mindfulness and breathwork. The Stoics placed great emphasis on maintaining inner calm, and mindfulness and breath control are excellent ways to start your day in balance. Example: before diving into your day, spend 5 minutes practicing deep breathing, focusing on each inhale and exhale. This simple technique can calm your mind and prepare you to tackle your tasks. It helps you remain calm even when faced with stress later in the day. 5. Remind yourself that everything is temporary. Memento mori, the reminder of life's impermanence, is a key Stoic principle. Both pleasures and difficulties are temporary. What seems important today will eventually fade in significance. Example: each morning remind yourself that today's challenges, which might seem overwhelming, will also pass. This mindset helps you deal with emotions. Knowing that pain or stress is temporary allows you to approach life with greater detachment and peace. 6. Set an intention for the day. Intentions guide our actions, and the Stoics believe that living with purpose leads to greater emotional control and fulfillment. Example: before starting your daily tasks, spend a moment setting a primary intention for the day. It could be patience, kindness, or courage in making decisions. Having a clear intention helps you act consciously and make better choices throughout the day. 7. Read inspiring texts. Marcus Aurelius and other Stoics regularly reflected on Stoic principles through reading and contemplation. Inspirational texts are a powerful way to start your day with the right mindset. Example: every morning spend a few minutes reading a passage from Meditations or another philosophical text. It could be a quote that helps you focus on what really matters. Regularly reading wise words helps clear your mind and fills you with inspiration for the day ahead. 8. Reflect on yesterday's actions. The Stoics believed in regularly reflecting on their actions to avoid repeating mistakes and to improve. The morning is an excellent time to think about what happened the previous day. Example: before starting your day, take a moment to consider what you did yesterday, what went well, and what could have been done better. This practice not only promotes personal growth, but also starts your day with a heightened sense of awareness about your progress and areas for improvement. 9. Make time for movement. Physical health was just as important to the Stoics as mental health. Morning physical activity can help both your body and mind. Example: Before sitting down to work, take 10 to 15 minutes for a morning stretch, yoga session, or walk. Movement improves blood flow, boosts energy levels, and prepares your body for the day ahead. Marcus Aurelius emphasized that mind and body are intertwined. Caring for one helps support the other. 10. Accept things as they are. One of the most important Stoic lessons is accepting reality as it is. Fighting against what you cannot change only leads to frustration. Example, if you find that something doesn't go according to plan, perhaps there's heavy traffic making you late. Rather than getting frustrated, accept the situation and focus on what you can do in that moment. This attitude helps you avoid unnecessary emotions and stay calm in the face of challenges. Conclusion: incorporating Stoic practices into your morning routine can significantly improve your quality of life and bring more peace to your daily activities. Remember, you don't need to implement all of these at once. Choose the ones that resonate most with you and introduce them gradually. Stoicism teaches us that the key to happiness and balance is through small but consistent actions. Share in the comments which practices are the most meaningful to you, or suggest others that you'd add. If you found this video helpful, please like and share it so that others can benefit from these inspiring techniques for a better life.